Calculate a PQL score from your Snowflake activity database by using the coefficient formula bot. Launch the coefficient app from the extensions in the top ribbon. Coefficient, launch. Open the coefficient formula bot and ask ChatGPT to write a formula. Let's ask ChatGPT to write a formula based on 3 factors from our Snowflake activity database. Let's look at last login date, the imports they created, and the shared reports. If a user in our activity database has logged in, created imports, and also shared reports, their PQL score will be 5. If they've just logged in and created imports without sharing reports, their PQL score will be a 3. If they've just logged in and have no other activity, their PQL score will be 1. If they haven't done any of these 3 things, their PQL score will be 0. Let's write a prompt to create this formula. Great, now I have a PQL score calculated inside of my Google Sheet. Now I'd like to upload this PQL score to Salesforce so that I can indicate which leads the sales team should focus on. On a second tab, I have my Salesforce contacts with my blank PQL score, indicating I need to update these PQL scores in Salesforce. Let's write a formula to connect these 2 datasets using the Snowflake user ID. Now let's configure and export to Salesforce to upload the PQL score directly to the Salesforce contact. Now let's check our Salesforce import. And with just a few clicks and the assistance of the coefficient formula bot, we've analyzed Snowflake product activity to assign a PQL score and upload to Salesforce. If you're interested in understanding how the coefficient formula bot can help you in your business activity, download the Coefficient app today and connect your business systems to Google Sheets using Coefficient.